This is the Keyless Connect Smart Lock and forms part of Yale's Smart Living range. This smart lock is simple to use and allows you the freedom to secure your house without needing a key. The smart lock is designed for 35 to 55mm inward opening doors. It is really easy to install and comes with instructions, a drilling template, and all the hardware you need. Check out the installation video to see how easy it is. In the box, you'll find the Keyless Connect Smart Lock, a Y3 night latch, 2 radio frequency key cards, and the 4 batteries with the battery pack. You'll also get a comprehensive user manual that explains exactly how to set codes, add tags and cards, and connect to the Smart Hub, as well as fixing pack, which includes hardware for installation, as well as the installation guide and a template to make installation quick and easy. Some of the lock's features include 20 user IDs in the form of a PIN, a card, a sticker, or a tag. It has low energy consumption, and one set of batteries can unlock the lock up to 10,000 times. It also has a low battery indicator and an emergency external battery connection, so if your battery does die, just hold a 9-volt battery to the terminal and you can unlock your door. It is also ready to connect to the Yale Smart Hub via the Smart Lock module supplied with the Smart Hub. It has some security features that include a 3-minute lockout if the incorrect PIN has been entered 5 times. It's also made from a tough and durable zinc die cast and can be deadlocked from the inside. This is a quick and convenient way to secure access to your home. If you found this clip useful, like it or share it. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews like this, as well as DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.